lights me up. Can you see me?
Yes.
Okay, it's starting to get really dark and we need to pack up this beef stew, so Tia, you wanna, like...
Yeah, can't really see you very well.
Oh,
there you are!
Okay, so, I don't know if anybody has noticed, but we stopped doing these, like, product reviews, unless it's for a product that we really like, and so Hokolite sent us this thingy. I don't know if you can really see it, it's really, really bright, but we will have a link and maybe TMK will put up a picture like right here or something. But this is a runner's light and I actually really love this thing. Usually we use a head torch. This one is designed so that you can actually clip it into the brim of your hat, or as what I do, like this, onto the side of my shirt. Oops. Like that, and it actually provides really good light facing forward. So come on, and then we will go and take a look at what it does to the beef stew.
Maybe show the different options.
Yeah, no, go a sec.
Okay,
Hey,
okay.
come here. You're ruining my plan. All right, so packing things up. This is like this.
Hands free. Wave your arms in front of you.
Anyways, so right here, oh, whoops. This is the only annoying thing, but it's really my own fault. I need to clip it better. But I can see perfectly well with this in front of me. And it's really great because it's not just a head torch. Where we actually, sometimes where we go, it requires us to be a little bit better with our lighting. So watch this. Okay, so here's it off, and we go. That's the normal light, a little dimmer. We got a front one like this, red and green. So we have all the different options when it comes to your lighting needs. I don't know, personally, I really like it. I pretty much use it exclusively now. I don't think Tia has had the chance to really play with it. And oh, of course it charges with USB-C, which means I can carry one less type of cables. So there you go, a big thumbs up for the Hokolite.
Here, we'll actually go show you what it looks like near the fire.
All right.
Because Andy's just blinding all you guys. Okay. Can we do this?
She's gonna drop it in the fire.
I am not. Okay, we're gonna have to show you inside the van. Oh, there, like this. It looks like this. And it has a clip on it. See that clip? And so if I click the button right here.
Ah, great.
There's Andy.
Yep. It works really well. I personally really like it. We will have a link in the description if you want to purchase it. They ship anywhere, and you can buy them in 1, 2, and I think 3 packs. I don't know, whatever. Check the link down below. It's really good if you're looking for a head torch.
All right, let's pack up the soup.